How to clear cache in Bilibili. First of all, open the app on your device, then tap on the Me icon to access your profile page. Next, go to Settings and inside it, you will see the Clear Cache option. Tap on Clear Image Cache to delete the cache directly from the app. Likewise, you can also clear the cache through your device settings. Open the Settings app on your device, then scroll down and find Apps or Application Manager and tap on it to view the list of installed apps. From the list, locate and select Bilibili. Inside the app info page, tap on Storage where you will see the option to clear cache. Tap on it to remove temporary files and free up space on your device. This will help the app run smoother without deleting your account or downloaded videos. Once cleared, Bilibili should perform better and your device will have extra storage available. Now you know how to clear cache for Bilibili directly from your device settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.